Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Member, Honourable Ravunawa, for this particular question. Mr. Speaker, sir, at its heart, the strategic master plan for Viti Levu and the concept master plan for Greater Suva, Nadi, and Lautoka presents a bold and necessary shift from fragmented ad hoc development to coordinated, long-term, future-focused planning that meets the demand of a growing population, climate resilience, as well as modern infrastructure systems. Speaker, sir, the project was initiated by the former government in 2017 and formalized in 2018 through an agreement with the Singapore Corporation Enterprise. It was described at that time as visionary, and it had the potential to be just that. But what followed was not implementation, not reform, but 5 years of inaction. Despite spending approximately 1.5 million US dollars, equivalent of 3.5 million Fijian dollars in public funds, no final presentation was made to Cabinet. There was no interagency framework, no roadmap for delivery. The master plans were produced, nothing further was done. Mr. Speaker, sir, this was not due to lack of technical work or funding, it was a failure of political will. The plans were not embedded into national priorities or coordinated across ministries. Speaker, sir, this is where the coalition government has fundamentally changed course. In January 2023, oversight of the Department of Town and Country Planning was restored to the Ministry of Local Government, its rightful institutional home. And a comprehensive technical review was undertaken, and by September 2024, all deliverables from the Singapore Corporation Enterprise were received. And the strategic master plan and the concept plans were submitted to Cabinet. But unlike our predecessors, we did not stop here, Mr. Speaker, sir. The Cabinet Steering Committee was established to review the deliverables. And now a dedicated Cabinet Subcommittee, which I will chair, has been formed to oversee and drive the implementation of the master plan. It's no longer a concept, this is a coordinated government priority. Now with Cabinet support, Mr. Speaker, sir, we are moving into the next critical stage, which is the detailed master plan phase with $1.957 million allocated in the current financial year. What will the detailed phase plan or detailed phase deliver? Speaker, sir, this is where vision becomes action. The detailed phase will identify priority growth corridors, investment zones, phase out infrastructure development to match demand and resilience planning, restructure outdated zoning systems, moving towards special and digital-based frameworks. Also, the equipping of all municipal councils with parcel-based planning tools for evidence-based decisions, as well as aligning planning with infrastructure capacity in terms of future population trends and climate risks, as well as institutionalized planning with national and municipal system. This will be a game changer for urban governance in Fiji, and no more will be involved with ad hoc or silo decisions. No more 30-year-old planning schemes. Instead, we are building an integrated modern system fit for 2075 and beyond. The benefits of people and the nation. Speaker, sir, benefits of this work are far-reaching. For local government, it means moving from reactive regulation to proactive leadership. For communities, it means better access to infrastructure, job, housing, and transport. For investors, it means clarity, confidence, and a predictable urban framework. For the environment, it ensures development is compact, climate smart, and resilient. This approach, Mr. Speaker, sir, fully aligns with our 2025 to 2029 National Development Plan, as well as 2050 National Vision. as well as a national Blue Town Framework, our own coalition government initiative for compact as well as sustainable cities. And it delivers on our sustainable development goals on SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, SDG 13 on climate action, SDG 9 on infrastructure and innovation, as well as SDG 17 on partnerships for delivery. Mr. Speaker, sir, this government understands that planning is not paperwork. It's a tool of empowerment, a tool that ensures our youth, workers, families, and the elderly can live in communities that are livable, inclusive, and forward-looking. It is a future of urban Fiji, Mr. Speaker, sir, guided by strategy, driven by data, and grounded in fairness and resilience. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I think once again to answer, to respond to the question posed or asked to me this afternoon. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yeah, thank you.